I'm going to do a box of the '07 UD Goudey. Hopefully this box is one of the ones with the autographed box topper with a 1933 Goudey buyback. 24 packs, 2 hits in a box. And if you get the old cards, it'll be on the bottom of the box, I believe. Let's go Tiger Woods autograph.
I think Goudey's a lot of packs.
Yeah, 24. Who is that? An Olympian?
Yeah.
Ryan Latish or something?
The douche.
Melbourne Olympics. He's a swimmer.
Melbourne.
That does anything for somebody. See, they got variations in these as well. I think red back, black back. Look for the Derek Jeter autograph or something like that.
That'd be nice.
Or one of those. Upper Deck is famous for 1 in every 50,000 packs. Cal Ripken.
A lot of cards.
Oh yeah. You should have close to a set when you open a box.
Right.
Got a jersey. CC Sabatha. 1 piece. Not numbered. Autograph's going to be an on-card one too. Hopefully you get an extra hit as well. It'd be nice. They should have put some gum in these packs.
They should have.
That's with Heritage. I'll have gum in it now. The new ones will be coming out in '08. It'll be 1934 Goudey. More of the base. Still looking for the autograph.
How's the autograph? Andy Marty.
The Andy Marte, Cleveland Indians. I'm guessing he's a rookie or close to it.
2 Indians in this box.
It's an Indians box. So yeah, there you go, guys. I don't know about that autograph. A little bit everywhere. Good for an extra hit like y'all got in the SB Authentic.
That's a good box.
Yeah. I had a guy open a '07 and got out the 3 autographs, and then this last hit was a Steve Smith rookie patch number to 25. Man, 2 of his autographs were short prints. One of them was the Matt Moore.
Oh, you got Matt Moore?
Yeah. I think it's probably going to be a pretty expensive card.
Only if he sees playing time, which I doubt.
Oh no, his contenders one is $40 right now.
Burn that one. Andrew Jones.
My boy.
He's gone now.
His second favorite team now.
So glad, dude.
His second favorite team.
Hoping somebody take him out last year.
He only signed a 1-year contract, didn't he?
I think so. Maybe we'll
Looking
have
for his
him back next
payday.
year.
Well, he's been in the league forever.
Some good rookie cards though.
Yeah, you got 2 Josh Hamiltons. Let's see if
And Alex Gordon. No autographs on him.
So you got the 2 versions of the Josh Hamilton there. You can see there. Green and red. I don't know which one would be the harder one. Looking for an extra hit. I don't know if I think Dice K's in this stuff.
Another Alex Gordon.
Probably got both colors of those. Yep. Both colors of the Alex Gordon rookie. tell you that Fernando Martinez guy's playing real well now
Who does he play for?
the Mets.
Can't stand the Mets. What I do is buy everybody.
That would be the Yankees and the Red Sox.
Yeah.
Well,
Yankees,
and the Mets.
Red Sox.
Dodgers lately.
Yeah, the Dodgers. Hey, they want to spend the money, I suppose.
Yeah, they're still gonna lose though.
Yeah, the Marlins are going to win in about 3 years. They keep getting all the prospects. Got a Babe Ruth special card. Little Babe Ruth action. That's it.